Hi, I'm John from PowerProbe, and today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and use the milliohm resistance, 4-wire milliohm resistance testing of our PPEVTEST multimeter on this 3-phase stator winding. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my leads. Notice again, just like our insulation testing lead set, we have our little power block here. We only have one black little leg of it. We want to make sure that goes into the black jack at the bottom. So if we put it in backwards, your meter would tell you it's backwards as well. And since we're doing a milliohm test, we're going to select the R4W scale here. And the first thing we'd have to do is set the adjustment capabilities of the meter. It defaults into 1 amp, which is what we're going to use for this test. Remember, if I wanted to change that setting, I have one other selection. I hit the up or down arrow buttons here. We have 200 milliamps or we have 1 amp. 200 milliamps, again, is only going to be used for sensitive electronic testing. This is not sensitive electronics, so I'm going to go back up to the 1 amp. The more load we put on the unit, the more easily it's going to be able to find any type of intermittent type of fault that's inside here. So at this point, I'm going to just hook up to 2 of the leads. So the U and the V phase for those that are EV technical savvy, and I'm just going to hit the test button. I'm going to hold it down in place. We'll let it do its thing. And I've got approximately 109 milliohms. So at this point, we'd compare it to the factory specs. This is within specs. It is not shorted. We would go through the repeated procedure of going from U to V, and then U to W, and then we'd go from V to W, and then the final step would do the same exact procedure again by, if it passed all of those, by connecting one of the leads to one of the selections and going right to ground. If you passed all 3 of the other ones though, the likelihood of it being shorted to ground is pretty much 0. But this is how the OEMs would like us to do the test. So as you can see, it's a very simple test. The only thing that you want to really key in and make sure of is that you plug your power block in correctly, and then also that you select the right scale. So thanks for watching.